Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is the premium flagship smartphone from Samsung, and this has been announced just before the Mobile World Congress 2019. And this comes with top-of-the-line hardware. It comes with a Quad HD Plus resolution display, and it comes with the Snapdragon 855 octa-core chipset, up to 12GB of RAM and 1TB of hard disk space included. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So in this video we'll have a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So first step, let's have a look at the display offered on this device. So this device comes with a 6.4 inches Quad HD Plus resolution display, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. And one of the important aspects of the display is the dual front facing camera, which is integrated onto the display, which is a punch hole display. So that's one of the specialities of the display. And it also comes with HDR support and always on display. So being a Super AMOLED panel, the display offers great viewing angles, excellent sharpness levels, and it's a vivid display, and it's a treat to use on the device. So the display quality is really superb on the Samsung Galaxy S10. So that's the display aspect. So overall, looking at the build quality, it is made of metal and glass finishing and looks really premium, and it offers a great experience in hand. So similar to the previous generation, you can also see that it is finished in metal and glass, and you can see the back panel is slightly fingerprint magnet because of the glass finishing, and you can also see the horizontal layout for the triple camera, which offers great performance as well. So the triple camera module includes the flashlight and the 3 cameras, and also the Samsung branding at the bottom. So that was the display and the design and build quality of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now next, let's have a look at the software offered on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus comes with the Android 9.0, that's Android Pie update, and it has the Samsung's One UI. So One UI is a recently announced UI, and this is an upgrade from the Samsung's Experience UI offered on the previous flagship smartphones. So Samsung's One UI is a bit more refined and polished UI, and offers a much better experience than the previous UI. It's polished, and you get all the features you have seen on the Samsung's UI, and it is much better and easy to use UI, and gives good feel altogether, and it's a pretty smooth UI as well. Now moving on to the cameras. So this device comes with a triple camera setup. So it has a 12 megapixel primary camera with variable 1.5 to 2.5 aperture, with face detection, autofocus, and optical image stabilization. There is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and you can actually switch between the cameras from the camera interface. Now this device also comes with a dual selfie camera. It is a 10 megapixel primary f1.9 camera and a secondary 8 megapixel camera for depth sensing. So overall the camera looks really nice. With the time we have spent with the device, the camera also looks really impressive and truly offers great flagship experience. Now the device is powered by the Snapdragon 855 octa-core chipset, and in India this device is powered by the Exynos chipset. It is the Exynos 9820 octa-core chipset, 8nm manufacturing process, and it is either having 8GB RAM or 12GB RAM based on the variant. So apart from that, this device also comes with a 4100 mAh capacity battery, and there is also 15-watt fast charging supported, and this comes in different variants or rather colors. White, black, green and blue variants are available. So we have tried the blue variant, and it looks really premium in all sense. It also has a USB Type-C port, and IP68 water and rust resistant capabilities are also included on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and this will be available in India pretty soon, and 3 variants are available: 8 128GB storage, 8GB RAM and 512GB storage, and 12GB RAM and 1TB of storage offered. So that's the hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is Nirmal signing off from Mobile World Congress 2019. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.